To customize the order of steps in your booking form, follow these steps. Navigate to the Customize page and click on Layout Settings. At the top of the page, you'll find the steps in the booking form. Utilizing drag and drop functionality, you can easily reorder them according to your preferences. For instance, you may want customers to first select the service, then choose the number of people coming, and finally select the employee they wish to book with. Once you've rearranged the steps, visit your booking website to see the applied changes. It's important to note that the last step, the General Information step, cannot be reordered. This step is where customers provide their personal information, such as name, email, and phone number. Additionally, any custom fields you've added for your service will be included in this step.